Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to contact Agoda support. To start, go to agoda.com and log into your account. Click on the My Trips section at the top right by selecting your profile. If you booked a stay, you will see it listed there. Select the booking you need help with and then click Need Help or Contact Support. This opens Agoda's automated help chat. From there, you can choose common topics like modifying your bookings or requesting a refund. If your issue isn't resolved by the automated options, type Talk to Agent or Live Support in the chat. This often triggers a handoff to a human agent, though response times may vary. You can also reach Agoda via their help center by selecting a topic and following prompts to submit a support request. Keep in mind, Agoda doesn't offer a direct customer service phone number in most countries, and support is primarily offline. So for the fastest help, always use the help center or the in-app chat while logged into your account. And that's how you contact Agoda support. Thanks for watching.